అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు మనారా చోప్రా. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఉగాది శుభాకాంక్షలు. And my experience working with Puri sir, that he's a great director, and Rogue as a film is a great opportunity for me. And thank you the complete South Indian audience and Telugu film industry for accepting me. 1 year, third film, and that too with ace director like Puri Jagannath Garu. So చాలా excited ga undi. It's releasing this 31st of March, so chala happy, and we have made a very sincere effort in this film. We would like the audience, we would like the fans of Puri Jagannath Garu, mine, Ishan, Angela, all of us to support and just make it like just give your love to the film. Thank you. How I got the offer for the film, ये बहुत एक्चुअली एक्साइटिंग स्टोरी है कि मुझे ये फिल्म कैसे मिली. आई वॉज इन द फ्लाइट, मैं फ्लाइट से मुंबई जा रही थी. आई कम्प्लीटेड एन अवार्ड फंक्शन वेयर आई वॉज परफॉर्मिंग, एंड मैं मुंबई जा रही थी, एंड आई वॉज इन द फ्लाइट, एंड देयर इज अ पर्सन, ही स्टैंडिंग राइट नेक्स्ट टू माई सीट, एंड आई एम लाइक एक्सक्यूज, ही वॉज कीपिंग हिज स्टफ इन द ओवरहेड कंपार्टमेंट, एंड आई सेड एक्सक्यूज मी सर, दिस इज एक्चुअली माई सीट. And then the person turns in that high speed slow mo thing, and that's Puri Jagannath Garu, and I was so happy to see sir, but I mean I'm little shy, like I can't crack the first conversation. So sir sat on his seat, and hum log flight se utre, and sir was like I was like, sorry sir, I was not able to properly introduce myself. And sir was like, hi Manara, how are you? I was surprised that sir was aware about my name and everything, and we exchanged numbers, and a couple of months after that I auditioned for the role, and sir said, Manara, you are a very good actress. So I thought one more audition of my life, but then again after 6 months he called me, and he said that Manara, you're going to be the leading lady for my upcoming film Rogue. And I was so excited because sir also said, Manara, I don't know what is happening, I met you up in the air in flight, and today you are the leading lady for my film. So that's how it happened. I'm playing a singer in the film, so मैं एक singer का किरदार निभा रही हूँ. So this is for the first time in my life that I will be playing the role of a singer. तो बहुत excitement है, और apart from that, this is the first romantic film which I am doing, and it's a beautiful tale by Puri Garu. So she is a very simple, sweet, innocent girl, but also at the same point of time she's looking very sensuous on screen. And then I think she's allowed to be in love. Of course, she's a young girl, she is allowed to be in love, but a lot of twists and turns. There's comedy, action, drama, full family entertainer actually. Yes, in the trailer he says he hates girls, but in the real life Ishan is like he's really shy to like really talk to girls, because he's been brought up in an environment where it's a boys school, it's a boys college. So I think we were his first friends ever in life. So in real life he doesn't hate girls, but he's too conscious to talk to girls. I was at cloud 9 when I met all of them, because it was like the whole group, whether it is the art department, whether it's the all the EPs, the EP of the film, or the assistant directors, they all were very like college going kids and coming on the set, and we are also like so the whole group, me, Ishan, Angela, Puri sir being in the class, they say there's one person everyone would love to follow. So Puri sir was that, and every evening we used to chill, enjoy with sir. Sir used to take us to places. So it was a very college vibe, because if someone is an assistant director, he's also a singer. If someone is an assistant director, he's also a dancer. So the vibe was very young, and sir being a very knowledgeable person, I personally, once I'm done with my shoot, I don't like to talk much about the industry. So sir is someone who I can connect to in terms of music, in terms of speaking about what is happening in current affairs. So sir is like an encyclopedia, I would say. So vibe was very nice. Yesterday there was a website which had put in a very nasty comment. I'm not taking the names, and they said that girls were having cat fight over the boys. So we have uploaded one video on YouTube, on my Twitter page. I think everyone should go and watch it. There was no cat fight. As I said, it was like a one college group, and where you have girls and boys both. So there was no cat fight, and also I think cat fight never happened because our scenes were totally different. Like she had a different sked altogether, I had a different sked altogether. Locations were different, so I think we are meeting more on promotions and we really connect well, like helping each other and all that. Sir has given a lot of peppy dialogues which are already a hit. Like you say, I hate girls, or second hand is not required, something like that. So everyone is a second hand person. So a lot of punches in the scenes, and it's not a, I would say, sad film. It's a very happy go lucky romantic film.
My working experience with Rogue was really amazing because first of all I was very nervous that it's a Puri Jagannath film. He's an ace director, such a star maker. How am I going to able to cope up with it? Because I hardly know the language, and it's kind of difficult to learn a new language and to work with such a big director. But then when I went on the set, I was all prepared with all my voice notes and right pronunciation and things like that. And then I realized that sir is so chilled out. I mean, I was so anxious before going on set, but sir was at ease. So I feel this is the quality about sir that makes you feel at ease, and it just makes you feel so comfortable. So an actor delivers its best. Thank you. That's kind of the twist of the story. But my character is very well crafted by Puri Jagannath sir, and I'm totally blessed to have a character like that because my character, you fall in love with her a single moment, and then the next moment you might disagree with her. She also has a comic element. She might make you cry. So there are different shades to her. So as an actor, I feel really lucky to play a character like Anjali. My role doesn't have a sad ending, but yeah, my role will surely make you laugh, cry, feel happy at the same time. It's kind of fun, but it doesn't have any sad ending. Yes, this is my debut film in Telugu and Kannada. So it's like a big platform because I'm being launched in two different like industries. So that's really nice. Yes, I've done songs in movies. My first song would be Jyoti Lakshmi, Raja Raja, and the second song was in Size Zero, Anushka Shetty's Size Zero. That was the main promotional song. It's called Size Zero.
I just want to say that the film is releasing this 31st, so all the Telugu audience, all the Kannada audience, please go watch the film in cinema halls near you. Thank you, and a very happy Ugadi.
Happy Ugadi.
Very happy. Last year I was shooting for Rogue on my birthday with Puri sir, with Ishan, everyone there, and this year again I'm with sir. So I'm sure this year is also going to be chala excited, chala happy, and chala lucky as well. So just hoping that the film is going to hit the screens and everyone is going to bestow their love and blessings to the complete team. Thank you.